Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Dorito taco balls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vegetable oil for frying, 1 bag of taco rice, Doritos, taco seasoning, Fiesta blend shredded cheese, eggs, mozzarella cheese, sour cream, flour, and also ground beef. To a pot, I added 2 cups of water. I let it boil, and we're just going to add in our taco rice. And we're going to let that cook for 7 minutes. Just follow the instructions on the back of your bag. Now to a heated pan, I added a pound of ground beef. All we're going to do is go ahead and break it down and let it cook. To my ground beef, I'm going to add just a little bit of ground black pepper and just a little bit of adobo all-purpose seasoning, because we're going to be adding in taco seasoning. You want to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your rice is done cooking, you want to set it in a bowl to the side. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat and you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you drained all the grease, you want to return it back to your pan. And now I'm going to add in my taco seasoning. Of course, follow the instructions on the back of your packet. And I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water. Just going to mix it well. I'm going to put it on medium low, and I'm going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you want to remove your ground beef and set it in the bowl and put it to the side. Okay guys, so I have my ground beef, my rice. You also want 1 cup of the Fiesta blend shredded cheese and 1 cup of the mozzarella shredded. So we're just going to let the ground beef and the rice cool down. To our bowl of rice, we're going to add in our ground beef. Now you want to add in your cheese. Now you want to mix until everything is well combined. After everything is well combined, you want to get a baking sheet and you want to line it with parchment paper. Now we're going to go ahead and make our balls. Once you made your taco balls, now we're going to go ahead and put them into our freezer for 30 minutes. Okay guys, I have my food processor, so I'm going to add my Doritos in. You can also put them into a large baggie and crush them that way. Okay guys, now I'm going to put them into a bowl. Okay guys, you want to have 3 separate bowls, one with all-purpose flour. You're going to have about 2 cups of flour in that. We have 2 eggs that are whisked together, and also our crushed Doritos. Okay guys, next you want to bring your oil to temperature. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is take our taco ball. We're going to put it into the flour. Then we're going to add it into our egg. Make sure it's nicely coated. Shake off any excess egg. And now into our Doritos. And you want to make sure it's nicely coated. And all we're going to do is repeat the process. Once your taco balls are coated with the Doritos, they're ready to be fried. Okay guys, now we're going to keep them in our oil until they're nice and golden. Okay guys, they're ready to be taken out, so I'm going to put them onto a wire rack so they can drain of any excess grease. Okay guys, look how nice and crispy they are. Okay guys, here are our Dorito taco balls. As you can see, I cut into one. It's nice and cheesy on the inside. Guys, for the sour cream, you can go ahead and put it in a piping bag and just drizzle it over top. You can either eat them with the sour cream or plain. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.